Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting this edition with a breaking news that's coming in. Pakistan spy Vishal Yadav has been produced in district court in Jaipur. Vishal has been arrested on the charges of sharing sensitive defense information with Pakistani handlers during Operation Sindoor. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, he was a civilian clerk working at the naval headquarters in Delhi and has now been arrested by Rajasthan Police's intelligence wing for allegedly sharing confidential defense information with Pakistani intelligence agency ISI during Operation Sindoor. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, authorities have also informed that he shared the information with a Pakistani woman. So this is a classic case of him being honey-trapped. The Pakistani ISI agent was posing as Priya Sharma on the social media. This is a big breaking news that we are tracking. In fact, the espionage accused Vishal Yadav has now been presented in the court by the Rajasthan intelligence. The intelligence agency sought remand for questioning the accused, and the court ordered Vishal to be sent on a remand until June 30th. In fact, during the remand period, security agencies will conduct joint interrogation. This is the big breaking news that we are tracking, viewers. He's a Pakistani spy, Vishal Yadav, who has now been produced in the district court in Jaipur. He has been arrested on the charges of sharing sensitive defense information during Operation Sindoor with Pakistani handlers. Let's cut straight across to Soumya, who joins me live on this edition. Soumya, the intelligence agency has now sought remand for questioning accused Vishal. What more do you have on this?
Yes, Antara, earlier today, just few minutes back, Vishal Yadav was produced in the district sessions court there in Jaipur. The Rajasthan intelligence unit in that particular hearing had sought for remand, Vishal Yadav's remand for further interrogation, and now the same has been confirmed. Until 30th June, he will be in the remand, and there he will be interrogated by multiple security agencies, like mentioned earlier today as well, that right after arrest, when he was brought to Jaipur, he was interrogated by multiple intelligence agencies, that being the Central IB, NIA and military intelligence. So the same agencies now will continue the combined interrogation, and now that the court has granted the same to the Rajasthan intelligence unit. Back to you.
Well, thank you, Soumya, for getting us those updates. Moving on to another breaking news.